Find the holes at the bottom of the fly door. They contain a Phillips head screw. Using your screwdriver, turn the screw anti-clockwise to recede the fly door wheel into the aluminium frame. Do this for all the holes. When we recede the wheel into the aluminium frame, we release the tension holding the fly door to the tracks. Do this for all the wheels at the bottom first. Once the bottom's done, we now move to the top. Doing the same thing as we did at the bottom, as you can see the fly door's already getting loose. Turn the wheels anti-clockwise by using a screwdriver. Now that the fly door is loose in the frame, we need to take it off the tracks. To do this, we need to push on the spring-loaded wheel. Here you can see the spring-loaded wheel. When you push on that black piece, it will move into the frame. Do it for the back wheel as well. There's 2 wheels at the bottom per fly door. Once you've done this, the fly door easily pops out of the frame and can be removed. For this demonstration, we've used a stacking door, so we're going to remove the middle panel now, again by pushing the fly door wheels up. Sometimes you need a little bit of leverage. To do this, you can use a screwdriver or a spatula, and this can help. So just, again, use it on the black piece. You can just push it up like that. Try and use something with a bit of a soft edge so you don't leave marks. Now we need to remove the middle panel out of the frame. It's been taken off the tracks, but it needs a little bit of maneuvering to take it out of the frame. Move it around and it will come out. Your fly door is now removed.